Good evening, Melissa, and the Precision Plumbing and Drain team. Thank you for taking my phone call earlier and allowing me to send you this video. My name is Jason with Virginia Beach Web Design, and what I'm going to show you in this short video are 3 quick and easy ways that we can drive more traffic to your website, bringing you more business. So those 3 things that we're going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So when we talk about content, we're talking about everything that's visible on your site here. The words, the pictures, the links, the videos, all of it. And you guys have a beautiful website here. It's built really well, but you're lacking a little bit in content. You guys have about 380 words of content on this front page. And what you're going to want to have to rank well with Google is anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page. Along with that, on these secondary pages, you're going to want to have anywhere from 500 to 750 words of content. So there's something right there we can do to build you guys up and get you ranking higher. Second thing we're going to talk about is citations. And what citations are is your business name, phone number, and address in directories on the website. And directories would be something like Facebook or LinkedIn or Yelp or Yellow Pages. And the more directories you're in, the better you have a chance of ranking high on this nifty little map pack. Okay, and this is the top 3 on the front page here, and it's very convenient for customers to find you. I use it to find local companies. I'm sure other people do as well. So you want to have anywhere from 200 to 300 citations around the web, linking to you with accurate information at that. Lastly, we're going to talk about is backlinks. And what backlinks are is it's a website referring links back to your website. And not all backlinks are created equal. Obviously, if you have another plumber or home improvement type or heating and cooling type business that's referring back to you, that's more powerful than, say, Pizza Hut. You guys are doing really well with backlinks. You have 59 referring domains giving you 94 backlinks, and you guys are hitting for 154 organic keywords, which is bringing 99 people to you every month, worth $2,900. So you guys are doing pretty good. A company that's killing it on backlinks, you'll see here, is Norfolk Plumbing. They have 89 referring domains, giving them 1,000 backlinks, and that's worth $4,300 per month. So there's always room for improvement, and it doesn't take much. We go in here and find these referring domains, grab the backlinks that are working well for them, put them on your page, and you can be right up there with them. So that's all I have for tonight. Thank you for listening. If you feel that I brought value to you, or you have more questions or concerns, please give me a phone call or email, and I'd love to hear from you very soon. Have a good evening.